open.
Introductions up to the page. Greet and introduction.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Angelica, and I'm your caregiver for today. I'm here to take your welfare card. But first, ma'am, can I make some information?
Okay.
Kailangan makalahala para yan.
Ayan. Patan naman ito. Para meron kayong space. Provide more space.
Can I know your name, ma'am?
I-video niyo yung mga gagawin nyo ha. Bed making. Mary Joy, doon ka sa assistive. Para mabilis tayo.
Can I have your name?
Okay, Bermudez.
Ito ka lang muna din na naman. Your birthday.
10/10/1978.
How old are you?
Kumpletuhin mo na yan. Kasi pag mamaya, nakita ko hindi ka kumpleto dyan. Hindi ka makakaalis dyan. Buong araw ka na mag-bed making.
How old are you?
54. Assistive device, mag-practice ka na dyan. Introduction.
Your address.
Wala, dress. Baseline.
Yung previous video.
Baseline 120/80. Wala nang address sa intake form ha. Hindi natin yung address. Kasi it will take a lot of time. Name, age, and yung baseline.
Is it okay with you if you wait for 10 minutes before just get it over the next?
Okay, fill out the materials again. Salita.
Assume that I am done with the classes and I wear the mask.
Yung ka lang.
Click on the materials needed. First with the demo report.
Pag nakumpleto yun ang mga gamit nyo, practice nyo na. How to perform.
Yes. First, use wet cotton balls, then start from cleaner to dirtier.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Marcel's student. Today I will perform. I will perform bed making.
Then, good morning, back to the thermometer tube. Then next is the pulse oximeter. Clean the pulse oximeter from the innermost of the lower end. Ito po yung flash. Sa sphygmomanometer po. Just like that. Or so ano naman.
Ano pa ito ba sa lang? Wet cotton balls. Bigyan na ba agad, Mark? Palit ka ng bed sheet. Practice ka dun sa from the beginning.
Ano,
Introduction. What are the materials to use?
Hindi, tinitingnan ko muna po kung paano. Occupied po muna ba?
Wala, ano occupied naman talaga tayo. Meron pa tayo iba.
Start and taking the temperature of the bladder.
Ano sinabi mo? Occupied and
Occupied. Wala pong, walang ano.
Occupied tayo, occupied. Gagawin sa assessment.
And the thermometer to the bladder and answer to the either right, yes, or right.
Pag ano, wala, basta nang mag-salita ng mga ano, diretso sa client, wala mo nag-explain. Finesse mo din.
Set the thermometer in position.
Ano sabihin mo sa akin?
Can you in your arm?
Saan?
On your right hand.
Ano?
Inside the and you can also put the part of your hand.
Yung pasyente, may traslado ko, bakit ganito lang? Yun ang problema. Nag-dig na yung ano, hindi naman ikaw makukuha. Mabilis lang. So, less than 1 minute yan, hindi naman ikaw makapasok sa iyo.
Then,
Good morning, ma'am. I'm at Zubok Kira, and after that, I will perform then making occupied. Occupied day. Press. The main considerations are the unwashing.
then we will back to the thermometer. Then after it starts.
Ako narinig, Mark.
Ano yung general considerations mo?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mark Julius Turan. Today I will perform the making skills occupied bed.
Ay, bakit ang nakahawak ka sa side rails kung nakaka sa pasyente mo? Dapat nandun ka pa sa labas. So,
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Mark Julius Turan and today I will perform the making skills
how many seconds?
occupied bed.
Para makita natin yung parang
Tapos,
continuous.
Occupied bed, and the main considerations are
So,
1 minute.
first, the patient consent.
masyadong matagal. Ang ating vital sign is only 5 minutes. Ano na?
Patient consent and turn off the aircon.
Wala pa yun.
The main considerations are patient consent, hand washing, vital sign taking, and privacy.
Perform mo na. Role playing mo na. I will perform bed making, occupied.
I will perform bed making
Right now.
occupied. And the materials to be used are 3 pillows,
Pipinos ka agad? Ano yung mga dapat na inuuna mong sasabihin? Tanggalin mo yung mga pillows, hindi ko nakikita yung mga lalagay mo. Dapat may share ka dyan. Isang chair na malapit yun sa overbed table mo, dito sa malayo. Isang chair dito. Saan papatong mo yung pillow. Doon sa anak mo.
the materials that are going to be used are bottom sheet, rubber sheet, draw sheet, top sheet, blanket, and the bath towel. Barrier for avoid contamination and
Protective barrier.
protective barrier to prevent the materials to be contaminated while on the table. And for hand microing between the surface of the bed.
In the mattress.
On the mattress.
Ano pa?
Right.
Ano lang.
Pillow.